As far as any of us could remember, this was the first time any of us had flown on a plane with a prop engine.
Less than an hour later, we arrived in Santorini.
What have I done wrong?
So you weren't recording one?
No, I am now.
Since we couldn't check into our Airbnb until later, we first got breakfast and then checked out the nearby beach.
Then we drove to the famous village of Ia on the other side of the island where we were staying for the next 2 nights.
Our Airbnb was amazing. Wow. Jessica and I stayed in this cute little room, which was originally a storage area.
After we got settled in, the 3 of us braved the less than perfect weather to take a walk around Ia.
That just made the video. All cruises were canceled while we were there, so the whole island was practically empty.
Nathan and I went to a spot to watch the sunset, but the clouds were a little too thick.
After a beautiful sunrise the next morning, Jessica and I took a hike from Ia to the capital city of Fira. We'll have another video out soon of this full hike, but here are some highlights.
We met Nathan's parents for lunch at this gyro place.
Pork gyro with fries, tomatoes, tzatziki. It looks awesome. Ask them. And get the fry up.
The next morning, after another great sunrise, we checked out of the Airbnb and went to a local resident's house for a Greek cooking class.
What did you think of the cooking class?
Oh, I could have not done anything better. I loved Santorini, and the cooking class topped it off. It was wonderful. The food was good, the instructions were good, and I learned a lot.
After the class, we drove to another part of the island to see the ruins of Akrotini.
All right, so we're at a cafe. We're gonna try some things that I have no idea what they're called. There's this thing, she told us, but we've seen these all over, and this was a small version, so. That's good. Chocolate and cream. I don't know what it is. Another thing that I don't know the name of. It looks like a Swiss roll almost. She said it has bueno in it. Oh man. I don't know what bueno is, but it is indeed bueno. It was really excellent. I could eat a lot of those. And this one she said has caramel. Man, these are awesome. Really crunchy. And both of the almond and the bueno are really good. Have that together with a cappuccino.
I already had a taste of this. This is like a donut full of cream. It was very sweet.
That's your coffee.
And Nathan just drank my coffee. Did you like that?
My taste a little sweeter. That is not a cappuccino.
No, it was not. I drank straight Americano. This is the chocolate nougat or bueno
Bueno.
that Nathan tried.
Did you say bueno? Bueno.
It's a cream. It's not a nougat. Good. Now this is the roll with the crunchy on the outside and the caramel on the inside. Much, much better.
Like that one better?
I like this one better. This is the best I've had. Very good. I'm done with the sweets.
Our last activity was seeing the Red Beach before heading to the airport to fly back to Athens.